All right, hey, welcome back to Unit 3, Learning Target. I can write linear equations from 2 points. So we have been writing linear equations and looking at them. I just want you to see in a brief video how to do it if you are just given 2 points. So let's say we're given the point 1, -3. And -4, 4. Okay, so recall different ways that we can write equations. We could write equations in y equals mx plus b, so that's slope-intercept. Or we could write it in y2 minus, not y2, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, that's point slope. So with both of these forms, we need to calculate the slope. So no matter which form we pick, we need m. So first I'm going to assign x1, y1, x2, y2, 2. Okay, so if you recall, slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, y's to the skies on top. So we are going to plug in 4 minus -3 over -4 minus 1. All right, 4 minus -3. Use my calculator if you need to, or recall that 7. -4 minus 1 is -5. Okay, so our slope is -7 over 5. I just like to move that to the top. Remember, that tells me to go down. Okay, so we've got the slope. Now, we could write it in slope-intercept, and I'm going to show you in class a way to do that. But right now, we have a point, and we have the slope. You can use whichever point you want. It just so happens that as I look at this formula, it says y1 right here, x1 right here. I see an x1 and y1, so I'm going to use those to substitute into the equation. I just think it makes the most sense. So as I write my equation, I get y. Okay, this is -3 right here. So remember, it's going to be the opposite, so I'm going to have +3 equals my slope, -7 over 5, times x. Okay, so this says -1 or minus x. This is a +1, so I'm going to see -1 in those parentheses. And there you have it. The biggest part of this is writing or calculating the slope, which you've seen before, that calculating the slope, and then we can just pick a point and write it in point slope form. Okay, and I'll show you a couple other things in class. Thanks.